54-year-old man charged with assault of 12-year-old girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 54-year-old man from St. Mary has been charged with rape of a 12-year-old girl in his community between September 2023 and January 2024. Conrad Gray was charged by detectives attached to the Port Maria Criminal Investigation Branch. The police said that during the period mentioned, Gray went to the home of the victim, held her down and had sexual intercourse with her against her will. Gray reportedly lured the complainant to his home on separate occasions and had sexual intercourse with her, knowing that she was under the age of consent. A report was made to the police and a witness statement was taken. An investigation was launched and Gray was subsequently arrested and charged with 2 counts of rape and 2 counts of sexual intercourse with a person under the age of 16. A court date is to be finalized for him. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.